really enjoying these spring-like temperatures. Let's get right over to Chief Meteorologist George Lessons with a first look at our forecast. Hi, George.
Hi, Kirk. One of our warmer days here in West Michigan, at least 71 here in Grand Rapids this afternoon. And we've cooled off a little bit as that wind is coming off the lake. We're now currently at 69, 74 in Kalamazoo. Look at Chicago. You're at 78. Milwaukee's 78. And our temperatures are going to be warming up into the mid and upper 70s during the day tomorrow. The temperatures today running about anywhere from 3 to as much as 8 degrees warmer than yesterday. And we'll do that again during the day tomorrow. Lots of sunshine all up and down the lake shore. It is filtered sunshine with those high level clouds as we talked about. So most of the day has been kind of a mostly cloudy day, but those clouds are clearing out and we'll see clear skies overnight and no precipitation still in the forecast until end of the week. Cold front off to our northwest, not getting here anytime soon, but with southerly winds, we will see our temperatures skyrocket well up into our 70s for the warmest day of the year so far tomorrow, and that will continue on into at least Saturday. However, with the warm and dry conditions, there is some concern for wildfires. We'll talk about a fire weather watch when we come back in just a few minutes. Beautiful day here in West Michigan, warming up to 70 plus across much of the area despite some high clouds, but with the winds drying out the top layer of grass, there is an increasing threat for fire danger. We have a fire weather watch that goes into effect tomorrow from noon to 8 p.m. It's for all of West Michigan because of the combination of low humidity, strong winds, the dry vegetation, and we're also going to see warmer temperatures here tomorrow. That's why that fire weather watch has been issued for tomorrow. So be outdoor burning, not recommended here for the next 48 hours. Use campfires, grills responsibly, properly dispose of any kind of smoking materials, no tossing the cigarette out the window of your vehicle. Avoid using chainsaws and limit that ATV use, especially if you're getting out cleaning up because of the risk of sparks and also exhaust. DNR permits are always needed for Ottawa, Kent, and Montcalm counties southward. It is not allowed right now for Muskegon, Newaygo, and also counties to the north until you get up into the UP. And then there are some restrictions around the Marquette and Houghton area. 13 weather ball is red. Warmer weather ahead, well up into the 70s. Our warmest day of the year tomorrow. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We'll fall down into the upper 50s tonight as skies become clear, and a windy afternoon as we hit the mid and even upper 70s during the day tomorrow. High pressure now slipping further to the east. Winds are turning around to the south. That's bringing up all of that warm weather. As far as our hour-by-hour forecast, the high clouds are going to be thinning on out. We've got a clear night and a sunny day here tomorrow. Just outstanding for mid-April. Just a couple of clouds during the day on Thursday. We'll call it mostly sunny instead of sunny. And then the high clouds come in on Friday, but still kind of a sunny day, mostly sunny. Clouds roll in over the weekend. We have some afternoon and overnight showers then on Saturday. Saturday morning, you might get a couple of hours of yard work in, but lots of rain then during the day on Sunday. And on the tail end of that, there could be some snowflakes. Temperature-wise, mid-70s, 77 here in Grand Rapids tomorrow and about the same on Thursday. And we'll see temperatures again up into the mid and upper 70s on Friday. Looking farther ahead, we're going to cool off. High chances it will be a little bit cooler from the 17th through the 21st. And there is a higher chance we'll see less precipitation during that 5-day period. Tonight, skies will become clear. 47 to 48 from Muskegon north, 52 from Holland southward. Up north, you'll be in the low 50s, around 50 there, Fremont, 53 in Greenville. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, overnight lows into the mid-50s. Still that river flood warning for Comstock Park and over here in Robinson Township. 13 on your side forecast. 74 before the rain moves in on Saturday afternoon, dropping to 50 on Sunday. Sunday night and Monday, there could be some rain and snow mixed in as we only get up into the mid-40s, but it will dry out again Tuesday and warm up into the 50s next Wednesday. Perhaps some rain the following Thursday night as our temperatures get a little bit closer to average into the following Friday. So yeah, great days coming up here, Kirk, in the 70s.
Love it. Thank you, sir.
Well, we have a lot of rain, we have flooding, and then it warms up nicely, and now we've got a risk of some fire danger here in West Michigan. Yeah, things are drying out here on the surface, and with all of the leftover grass starting to emerge from the winter sleep, there's a risk of some wildfires. Let's take a look and focus on the positive. Warm weather ahead. That's why the 13 weather ball is red. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Tom, you look like you're doing a little fishing there. Looking good out on the lakes or rivers. And you've got a great night to do some land walking. We've got a green paw for your evening and your tomorrow morning walk, as temperatures are going to be really nice even for this time of year. Great for making green energy, solar energy, 8.6 out of a 10-point scale, and it'll be a windy Wednesday. Almost perfect 10, 9.5 out of a 10-point scale. Yeah, this is the time of year you get some great green energy being generated. We had some high clouds across the area. There also might be a little hint of some wildfire smoke in the air, but it's all very, very thin. Lots of sunshine in our neck of the woods. No precipitation coming our way anytime soon. In fact, high pressure now well to our south and east, winds turning around to the south, so these high clouds are going to thin on out. We have a clear night and a sunny day tomorrow. Lots of sunshine again during the day on Thursday. We'll call it mostly sunny. Then eventually enough water is going to come up from the south. We'll notice an increase to our humidity levels during the day on Friday into Saturday. And as a front approaches, we're going to see some Saturday afternoon and overnight showers. It will rain pretty good on Sunday, not a ton of rain. And at the tail end of this, on Sunday night and Monday, there also might be some wet snowflakes mixed in. It's going to be that cool. In terms of rainfall, all of this will be falling later in the day on Saturday. This is Saturday morning, so we'll end up with about 1/4 of an inch overnight Saturday night, and then perhaps another 1/4 of an inch during the day on Sunday. So that'll help mitigate some of the high fire danger we got the next couple of days. Warming up to 77 here tomorrow. Lakeshore areas a lot cooler, so your app may say temperatures when we say the mid-70s. If you've got an app along the lakeshore, it's going to only be in the mid-60s. 76 here in Grand Rapids with that onshore breeze again. Upper 50s to upper 60s at the lakeshore, and we'll still be 77 during the day on Friday. And despite the clouds and showers Saturday, one more day of 70s moving on in. Looking farther ahead, this is the 8 to 14 day outlook from April 19th through the 25th. We're back to temperatures where they should be for this time of year, and that's in the upper 50s to low 60s, and an equal chance for more or less precipitation. Looks like the storm track is going to stay off to our west. Tonight, skies will become clear, 47 to 48 in the northern half of the lakeshore zone. 51 to 52 from South Haven, Holland southward. Northern part of our viewing area will be up to down to around 50 to as warm as 53 in Greenville, and skies will be clearing here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Overnight lows around 53 to 54. 13 on your side forecast. Average high is 56, will be 20 degrees warmer. Not only Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but even into Saturday before those showers really start to pick up in the afternoon. Raining overnight through Sunday. And then on the tail end of that, some rain and snow mixed into Monday. So a high of only 44 Monday. We'll get rid of the precipitation Tuesday, but only climb into the mid-40s. And then finally back into the mid-50s to around 60 Wednesday through the following Friday. Warm temperatures, sunshine have really started to dry out things here in West Michigan, and so we've got some fire issues we may have to deal with. 13 weather ball is red. We have a warmer weather ahead for the next several days, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. How warm did it get today? Everyone made it to 70 plus, including 72 here in Grand Rapids, officially our warmest day of the year. Average high is 56. Didn't think we'd get quite that warm today. We forecast 68 with all these high clouds. Didn't have an effect on cooling off our temperature. We'll start again and try to get within 3 degrees. Fire weather alert was issued earlier today. This is a fire weather watch that goes into effect at noon tomorrow through 8 o'clock in the evening for all of West Michigan. Fire weather watch means just be prepared for any wildfires that may happen, because people usually are not very careful with burning this time of year. Warm temperatures, low humidity, strong winds, and the drying out top vegetation has given us that fire weather alert. So again, outdoor burning not recommended. And be careful with fire, and again, just properly dispose of any smoking materials. As far as DNR permits for Ottawa, Kent, and Montgomery County South, you always need a permit. No burning north of there, and there's limited burning across the UP because of all the dry conditions here in West Michigan. Very high fire risk today, also during the day tomorrow, and that will continue through Thursday. We won't get any relief until we see some rain develop on Saturday. Otherwise, we have these high clouds overhead. They're thinning on out. We've got lots of sunshine tomorrow, a lot of sun, more than today. Southerly winds pushing on in, and a mostly sunny day, and even warm again Thursday on into Friday, despite some high clouds around the region. And then as we get into Saturday, there will be some afternoon and evening showers. Those showers will continue overnight through Sunday. Tail end of that, there could be some wet snowflakes. Much cooler weather for Monday. So again, windy and sunny at the lakeshore, mid-60s Muskegon northward, 74 Holland, 71 in South Haven with that fire weather watch throughout the day. Mid and even upper 70s under sunshine and strong south winds. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area will be between about 77 and maybe as warm as 80 in Battle Creek. 13 on your side forecast. From 70s to 50 on Sunday as the cold air arrives. Only 44 on Monday with some rain and snow. Still kind of mostly cloudy and cold Tuesday, but we'll be back to near average next Wednesday and into the 60s the following Thursday and Friday.